In this video, I'll show you how to make this simple present design birthday card. First, as always, draw out the design in pencil. I find this is probably the most time-consuming step to kind of draw out all of these swirl shapes, but it's well worth it and it will make it easy going forward. Next, use a thin black pen. Here I'm using the Faber-Castell pen in size S, which I'll link below, to trace over all of these little shapes. And continue doing this until you've traced over everything. Once you've outlined everything, the next step is to color in the shapes. I chose to use gold, silver, and copper colored pens. I'll link these pens below if you're interested in them. You can use whatever colored pens you like. And as you can see here, I just randomly colored in the shapes, trying to vary the color so that two of the same shapes that were next to each other weren't the same color. And basically continue doing this until you're done and you've colored in all of the shapes. Next, use your thin black pen again to trace over the outline of all of these shapes to really define them. This is an optional step. I chose to do this to really have a clear outline for each of the shapes, and I liked the look that it gave to the card, but you can of course decide to skip this if you wish. So you can leave the card just like this without anything extra, or like I did, you can add in a kind of rhinestone gold gem that I had left over from some Christmas cards that I had made. I'll try find it and I'll link it below for you as well. I think it adds a nice little finishing touch to this overall simple card. And that is it. You are done. I hope you enjoyed this video.